All right, so today's gonna be the day that we finally lower our car. We're gonna be lowering our car with 034 Motorsport's dynamic lowering springs. Long ass name, don't ask me why, but yeah. We're on our way to my buddy's shop. It's about an hour away, so I'll try to get some clips as I'm on the way there. But we're about to pick up some grub, some fuel. That way we have something in our stomach. Peep the starlights in the back. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the process of what he does to, you know, like the process of like him removing the wheels, showing you the springs and everything like that, and the before and after with the new stands. Deuces. All right, so we had to stop at Speedway real quick. Gotta grab some grub. We're about 3 minutes away. We don't gotta get gas, but definitely don't want to get gas here. That thing is $4. All right, so we finally made it. So he is in the process of opening up the shop, so he's gonna make it look a little better, but it is an official state inspection location. I do have the Audi here. He's currently moving some cars back there around so he can put the car in the bay. But let me show you what we're gonna be doing here in the back. So two things that we're gonna be adding on is going to be the 034 transmission mount to stiffen up the transmission mount that comes from the factory, which is a little bit flimsy. And we're also gonna add on their insert, which is gonna make the car shift a little bit different, hopefully. Back here we're gonna have our 034 lowering springs. Take them out the bag later, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with everything. So it's a little bit cold out here, so if the camera's shaking a little bit, that's because I'm freezing. Man, the car looks amazing. I can't wait to see, get rid of that gap right there that he had. Not that he has, but that I have. All right, so Steve is putting on the driver's side. What do you think so far?
It's not bad.
Not bad?
Yeah, actually pretty easy.
You heard it from the man himself. So what would you say? It'd take you like an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe to do the front?
If I had to do it all over again, probably 2 hours, yeah.
Probably 2 hours?
Yeah.
All right, so the first passenger side strut is finally out. Everything is still intact. So what he did was just remove this little back cover here to loosen this link in the back. Everything in the bottom is still fully connected. With the 3 bolts up top, he loosened all 3. He just had one holding the strut up, and then he took this little dog bone mount, or whatever you want to call this, that was hooked up to the strut, and then he was able to take out the strut to the right without having to remove anything extra.
Dude, that was like so much easier.
All right, so we have the lowering springs finally installed, front and rear. It's gonna take hopefully it should take about 24 hours for everything to actually settle. My boy Andres hooked me up here, so she's gonna be looking good here in a little bit. Just gotta do the alignment. Once I get the alignment done, everything should be straight. Yeah, she pokes out a little bit here. Little mean stands.